So recently I attended the 4th Global Digital Trade Exposition in Hangzhou, China. And during this exposition, I met different suppliers. The exposition was about AI, new technology, new devices, robots. And I came and I talked to different suppliers and I made these amazing products, which is an AI robot assistant for health. And in this video, I just want to show you the conversation I had with the supplier so that you see everything. And also, if you need any of these products, if you need quality check, if you need someone to source a product, don't hesitate to connect with me. I'll be happy to help you.
So, check out the devices here. So
Okay.
you can do many health check like temperature, blood oxygen, heartbeat, blood sugar, and blood pressure. And after that, there are some reports here. I can show you the report that we tested before. It's you can see it here, and it's Chinese now, but we can change it to
English.
to other languages.
Okay.
And entertainment, that you can download the app like TikTok.
Yeah. Okay.
And AI medical consultation means that you can ask it some medical related questions like I have a fever, what should I do? And
Okay.
it will give you some advice.
Okay.
And internet hospital in China, it is workable because so we can do online consultation with
Hospital.
with hospital, but in other countries it's not workable yet.
Okay.
And
Perfect.
and also it can do the medication reminder. So you will do the setting and it will remind you like how many pills you should take a day.
Okay.
And
Perfect.
There are some functions. And also you can take audio and video call to your family.
Okay.
If you have some emergencies, you can press this button and they will get your call.
Okay. Perfect.
It's basically
And
this function.
yes, and this one is powered by. You can just like plug a socket, like it's how to say, there is a battery, or how to power the robot.
You need to charge it.
Okay,
If
okay.
you plug out the plug, it works for like 2 or 3 hours. So
2 or 3 hours.
I suggest you just charge it all the time.
Okay. And it needs to have a connection, internet connection, right? Like always
Wi-Fi,
connected,
yeah.
Wi-Fi. Okay. So this one, for example, the language, can it be set to any language like French, English, or?
The interface language can be any other language, but the AI part can only be Chinese or English.
I understood. Okay, perfect.
Here, if you talk to it,
小宝 to meet and solve asking questions.
Saba, I have a headache. What should I do?
Yes.
Yeah, like we can change it, but our technical team is not here, so.
So it's only talk to you and give consultation, all that. It doesn't connect to your hospital or anything else.
In China, it can be connected to hospital. I can show you the Chinese one.
Okay.
Please, like,
Yeah, because the hospital system is different from China and other countries. So if you have ability to do R&D, then you can implement your own app and your system.
might be good because I think we have like a digital
Okay.
This is hospital outpatient robot.
Okay.
If you when you go to a hospital and you don't know where the department is, and you can tap the places that you feel sickness.
Yeah.
You can choose the symptoms here. So like maybe you choose this one, and this is the sector that recommend you
Okay,
to.
okay.
And
Would they walk you there? Or?
yes, so but first we need to do the mapping because
Okay.
we don't have the map here.
Okay.
And then if you take me there and it will
Okay.
go there.
Oh, that works.
Yeah, and the other function is education. So it can help nurses or replace nurses to go to the hospital wards to give them pre-after surgery instructions.
Okay, okay.
So it really helped them a lot. And also other functions that you can also do your app or your materials.
Yeah. Those were the same, right? But just different features.
That is guidance robot.
Okay.
It's not only for hospital. It can be used in like exhibition halls, bank,
Yeah.
because they can walk you there and start to explain it,
Okay.
give you some instructions.
Okay,
And this one is disinfection robot.
okay, okay,
So it works in airport, hospitals, some large
Yeah, yeah.
places. Yeah.
okay.
I don't have a question.